bloody just had to tape up my tripod because I threw it in a fit of rage the other day when my shit stopped working. Hey everyone, Monday the 8th of June, Queen's birthday. Thank you for the weekend, Queen. So might be a good day to start off some new stuff. Just had to tape up my tripod. Had a bit of a interesting start. Yeah, so what I'm going to do today is I've got the axle, the Zephyr axle, Mark II Zephyr axle under the 107E. All I need to do is measure up the centers between the old leaf springs and weld out the mounts on that so we can actually get the rear up a little bit. Obviously we'll have uprated springs and all that sort of stuff, but this is going to be the first step. First thing I noticed is the 107E stud pattern is huge, and Tim, the guy I bought it, I've said that the 107E had a really random stud pattern and it's massive. The PCD is 4x140. So we're not going to use those wheels anyway because they only come out on the prefect, and yeah, we'll get started. Okay, well now that's up off the ground. I'm using the crane because it was actually sitting on the ground, and yeah, there wasn't much nice to use as a jacking point. We'll get under there and measure the distance between the centers between the two springs, and then from there we can actually work out where we need to weld our new diff to. I'll go off both shackles and then get an average from there, so we can use the same mounting points. That side to that side is exactly 850. Then we'll do the center of the springs, 850. Fair chance is 850. How sick's this beanie? This is my favourite beanie. And then we'll go to the front of the springs. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so the centers of those spring points are 850, and I've just been to my dad's this weekend and picked up this Mark II Zephyr diff housing. Now these would have been a little bit wider, mainly because a Mark II Zephyr is heaps wider than this thing. Came with 2 extra cylinders. I don't know the actual numbers, but it was wider, so what we're going to have to do is these points here are going to be bigger than 850, so we're going to have to cut them off and make them 850. Man, it gets dark quickly. It's like 5:30 and it's pitch black. You know, best plan of attack for me, I've just got the 2 trestles, so my plan is I've got the spirit level here, and these obviously both have to be in line with each other, and if you look, that plane is not 90 degrees to the diff pinion, so I'm going to do one mount at a time so I can have the spirit level on the other mount, hence keeping it level. The distance between the centers between these 2 mounts are exactly 1 meter. On that car it's 850, so I'm just going to go 75mm in from the center, of course, and weld it when the other side is level. Once that's good, I can use this side to do the other side. Hopefully that's not too much of a tongue twist. Yeah, it'd be much easier with like a jig or a bench or something, but I want to get this done right here, right now. So we will grind back that, measure the centers and go from there. because it's the next day. I ran out of wire and gas, so just gonna get some wire. Got some wire and gas now. Run the tape back over the axle, and I've realised that I've made a mistake, and I measured 850 and the actual distance is 855, and I went and put the axle up, so that's alright. I've put this one on, and then I'm just going to cut this one back off, shift it over, and yeah, basically just work off my centres now. So I measured from that hub flange to that hub flange, and it's the centre of that centre to the edge, so just subtract the width off the centres, and we'll cut that, re-stitch it, luckily it wasn't fully welded, and go from there. Quick eyeball up, they fit, let's send it. Well, that's that. Got the wheels on the axle on. It's I need some new U-bolts because as the axle gets closer to the center, it tapers wider, so the U-bolts actually get really tight. So I don't have the little locating rubbers in there, but it's super high. I don't like how high it is, but and the wheels aren't going on properly because there's no brake drum, so there's like 5mm of play there. But anyway, it's on. The wheels fit with a little bit of clearance, like a bit more than a hand's worth, and that's good. That wheel's obviously cambered because of the way it's gone down on the jack, but yeah. Next up, once the positioning of all that is sorted out, because I'm in a bit of a rush to get it done tonight, once I've got that all lined up, I want to reinforce the where the shackles and that go in. So we'll tee up them, add some more steel in there, and then move on to the front. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the first installment of what's going to be a really long process, but if you liked it, support the channel, click subscribe for the next update, and hats on the website, link in bio, and I'll see you soon.